Hello there! You may have heard that the Overdrive app is going away and is being replaced with the new and improved Libby app for Android and Apple. This video is for Kindle users on how they can continue to get library ebooks without the Overdrive app. The Libby website has two options for reading ebooks. You can read the book in an online browser on your computer or Kindle Fire tablet, or you can send the book to your Kindle device for reading offline. The first step is to go to LibbyApp.com in a browser. That's LibbyApp, LibbyApp.com. If this is your first time there on this device, Libby will ask you to set up your library. You just have to answer a few questions on the screen to locate your library. So we'll say, yes, we do have a library card, and search for a library to find Northland. In this box here, you can type in Northland, and Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh will show up, and you can click on that. This will take you to the main Allegheny County Libby page. You should also add your library card number here where it says sign in with my card. If you click it, it'll give you the option to type in your card number. Then you'll choose next. And at this time, it will also ask you if you prefer to read with Kindle. If you choose this option, Libby will not give you the option to read in the Libby app for any of your books, so I'll be clicking skip for now, and I will choose whether I want to read on Kindle or in Libby on a case-by-case basis. So Libby works just like Overdrive. There are pages to search the library or to browse the library's collection, and a shelf, this little stack of books, that will show you your loans and your holds and your tags. When you borrow a book that has multiple reading options available, Libby will ask you how you want to read that book. Once you choose an option, you cannot read that book in a different way while you have it checked out. So if you send the book to Kindle, you can't read it in the Libby app the next day, or vice versa. You can choose which option you want to read immediately after borrowing a book, or later from this shelf page here. You find the book that you want to read and choose Read With right beside it on the book that you want to open. Then Libby will give you the options for that book. This one has a Kindle version or a Libby version. This time, let's choose to read with Libby. The book will open right here on your internet browser, and Libby will remember your choice, so this book can now only be read in the Libby app while you have it checked out. You can use the mouse to turn the page, and it works just like how Overdrive Read in Browser worked. Okay, so if we go back to our shelf, now this says open in Libby as you've made your choice, and Libby remembers and won't let you send it to your Kindle now. While this is the most convenient method of reading a book from Libby, it will only work while you have an internet connection. If you want to read your book offline, you'll have to send it to your Kindle. So this time, when we tap on Read With for our newly borrowed book, we'll choose the Kindle option. Libby will automatically redirect you to Amazon, as all Kindle books are sent through Amazon's website. You'll need to log into your Amazon account if you aren't already logged in, then choose which Kindle device to send your book to. Once that's done, next time you open and sync your Kindle on an internet connection, your new library book will be there. So those are the two ways you can currently read library ebooks on your Kindle Fire or other Kindle e-reader device. We do have more in-depth illustrated instructions for using Libby and other digital media on our website. If you go to northlandlibrary.org, and under the Computer Center heading at top, choose Instructions for Digital Media. You can see what we have available on this page. Click any of these links. For example, if you want more in-depth instructions about what I just spoke about, that would be this Libby for Internet Browser option. There's also a link to a more detailed short video from Libby, this link right here, about how to send your book through Amazon to your Kindle. So if you need a more visual representation of that, you can watch the video on Libby's help page right here. So if you have any questions about the switch from Overdrive to Libby, or want to learn more about using the Libby app, you can watch our other Libby-related YouTube videos. This page also has a link to our YouTube, and you can see what else we have available. Or you can contact us in the Computer Center. Our contact info is here on this page. You can call us at 412-366-8100, extension 131, or you can send us an email at nplcomp@einetwork.net. Thank you for watching.